either at point A or at point B, or he will ask the magnitude of bending moment at point A or at point fixed support, at fixed support, students. So I am going to start this problem, students. In this problem, first we will break this problem into two parts. Let me draw the free body diagram of this beam. Since at point B roller support is acting, roller support always give one vertical reaction only. At fixed support there is always three reaction. First one is vertical reaction, second one is horizontal force reaction, and the third one is moment reaction. I am assuming the moment is acting in clockwise direction. If our magnitude will come positive, it means our assumed direction is correct, otherwise incorrect. And we will resolve or break this UDL into point load, and this is a point load. This UDL will become point load W into L, and this UDL will act at L by 2 or L by 2, L by 2 or L by 2. So students, we will use our equilibrium equations. If I use summation of fx equals to 0, summation of fx equals to 0, or the algebraic sum of all horizontal forces, means all horizontal forces 0. So here we will get the RAH equals to 0, because other than this horizontal reaction no force is acting in horizontal direction. That's why RH will equal to 0. If I use our second static equilibrium equation, that is summation of all vertical forces equals to 0. So after applying this equation, what I will get RAB plus RB equals to what? W into W into L. I am assuming this is our equation number 1. And third equilibrium equation we will use. Third equilibrium equation we will use, student. The moment, the algebraic sum of moment about any particular point, that should be equals to 0. What I am doing? I am doing the algebraic sum of moment at point B and equating this moment with 0. So at point B, if I'll take moment at point B, B will never make moment because no perpendicular distance the reaction RB has. WL will give movement in what direction? Anti-clockwise direction. MA at fixed support, already movement is acting in clockwise direction. We have assumed movement is acting in clockwise direction. And in moment calculation, we will add it node distance multiplication with movement. RH will not give movement, it will apply thrust. Only RAB will give movement. RAB in what direction? Clockwise direction. So I am writing movement equation over here. MA plus RAB equals to MA RAB into L equals to WL into what? L by 2. So this expression, or simply we can write MA plus RAB into L equals to what? WL square by 2. WL square by 2. I'm assuming this is our equation number 2. Student, this is very interesting problem and has been asked many times in GATE or other competitive exam. So here we have only two equations and we have three unknowns over here. So we will go one additional equation. We will use the relation deflection at free end equals to 0, and this equation is sometimes known as compatibility equation. compatibility equation. So I will use this equation to find out the support reactions at point A, B or moment M. So students, what I will do, I will break this beam into two parts. This is cantilever beam subjected to UDL plus cantilever beam subjected to what? Reaction in what direction? Vertical upward direction, and this UDL will act in downward direction. The length of beam is given to us, and that is L. That is L. That is L. So we all know that the moment due to UDL or the deflection at point B, this UDL will equal to WL raised to the power 4 upon 8 EI. And in this case, deflection at point B equals to what? WL cube upon 3 EI. What is W here, students? W is reaction RB L cube upon 3 EI. Since the net deflection at point B is 0 because of propped cantilever beam, so equating both the deflection, after equating both the deflection, what I will get, WL raised to the power 4 upon 8 EI equals to RB L cube upon 3 EI. Term will cancel out. WL by 8 equals to RB by 3, or in simple we can write, students, RB equals to 3WL by 8. 3WL by. So students, here one reaction has been calculated. In sub problem he will ask reaction at a particular point only. In some problems he will ask reaction at all points. He will select the option. Now to say for RA from equation number 1, and what is that? For RA from equation number 1, what is that? RAB plus RB equals to what? WL by WL only, or what I can write, RAB equals to WL minus 3WL by 8. If I will take 8 LCM, so this will come out to be 5WL by 8, students. For moment reaction, for moment from equation number 2, what is that? MA plus RAB into L equals to what? WL square by 2. WL square by 2. So students, MA equals to WL square by 2 minus RAB 5WL square by 8. I will take LCM 8 over here, So this will come out to be WL square by 8. WL square by 8. Here minus sign will come. What minus sign will represent? Minus sign will represent the hogging. What minus sign will represent? This negative sign will represent hogging. What is this? Hogging. Hogging bending mode. So students, this is the discussion of deflection of beam related to problems. I have discussed two problems over here and one general expressions. So we can usually apply these formulas or these methodologies to calculate the deflection. Thank you. Thank you so much.